Are you a Solana trader with an idea that could change the game? Ever wished you could automate your trades or test strategies, all from Telegram? Imagine this: a powerful trading interface in your favorite chat app, fully connected to Raydium on Solana. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn your trading idea into reality by building a Telegram mini app that integrates with Raydium, one of Solana's most popular decentralized exchanges. No more switching between apps, no more clunky UIs, just seamless trading in a few taps. So, why Telegram mini apps? Telegram recently opened the gates to mini apps, allowing developers to build fully functional apps that live inside Telegram. That means traders can use your app without ever leaving the chat window. Native UI. Web-powered, mobile-optimized. Perfect for DEX trading. This is a game changer for DeFi. And with over 800 million Telegram users, your Solana trading tool now has a massive playground. Now let's bring in Solana and Raydium. Solana is known for ultra-fast, low-fee transactions, perfect for active trading. Raydium is one of its flagship AMMs, offering deep liquidity and lightning-fast swaps. By combining Raydium's trading engine with a Telegram mini app, you can execute token swaps instantly, track live prices, auto-trade with custom strategies, manage your wallet seamlessly, all through a chat-based interface. Here are key features your mini app should have. 1. Wallet integration. Support for Phantom or Solflare via wallet adapter. 2. Token swap interface. Choose tokens, input amount, review slippage and fees. 3. Live chart or ticker. Integrate with TradingView or Solana's RPC endpoints. 4. Transaction history. Log past trades, filter by token or date. 5. Custom trading logic. Trigger orders based on RSI, MACD, or any on-chain signal. Pro tip: use Raydium's Swap, SDK, and Solana Web 3.js for seamless backend logic. Let's talk tech stack. 1. Frontend, HTML, CSS, React using Telegram mini app SDK. 2. Backend, Node.js with Express, handles trading logic. 3. Blockchain, Solana RPC for transactions. 4. DEX, Raydium SDK for token swaps. 5. Wallets, Phantom wallet adapter plus session tokens. You can deploy the backend on a lightweight VPS or use serverless functions like Cloudflare Workers or Versal Edge for lower latency. Let's say Alice wants to buy FIDA every time it drops 5% in an hour. Instead of checking prices manually, she uses your mini app. 1. Sets a condition. Buy if FIDA drops 5%. 2. App listens to price feeds. 3. When conditions are met, boom, a Raydium swap is executed. That's real-time algorithmic trading inside Telegram. Here's how you can get started building your Telegram mini app for Raydium. 1. Create a Telegram bot via BotFather. 2. Host a web app and link it via Telegram's web app button. 3. Integrate Phantom or Solflare wallet SDK. 4. Use Solana Web 3.js to sign transactions. 5. Use Raydium SDK to perform token swaps. 6. Add features like price charts, auto-trading logic, and notifications. And you're ready to go. Telegram is the perfect place to bring DeFi to the masses, and Solana's speed makes it even better. If you've got a trading idea, don't let it sit in your head. Turn it into reality with a Telegram mini app that brings Raydium's power to your fingertips. Like this video if you learned something. Comment your project ideas below. We might feature you next. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on DeFi automation, trading bots, and Solana-based innovations.